All right, what we're doing right now is our arrow build. Before we can do our broadhead test, we got to get our arrows flying just right and our exact hunting setup that we're going to use. What a lot of guys overlook is the loudness of fletchings. And so what we've done, we've got a decibel reader here that we're going to set up right by the target. And then we've got 4 different fletchings. We've got your traditional blazer vanes. Then we've got the silent nights. This is a Fletch is Silent Night 300s, and then we've got the boning heat vanes, and then we've got the tack driver 2.75s. So these 3 are supposed to be real low profile, quietest ones on the market, so we'll find out about that. And then the blazer is kind of your traditional vane that's on most arrows. So we're going to get this all set up and shoot all these arrows and find out which one is the loudest, and then we'll go from there. But that's the next step in the arrow build.
So it said 51 point something.
51, okay.
When we started it.
Okay, so the first one we're shooting are the blazers. Okay, I hope I don't hit my tailgate.
That'd be a good video if you did.
It'll go viral. All right, let's go check it. $69.1. It was 69.1, and then I talked.
I got it on there.
69.1?
Yeah.
Once I talked, it went up to 72, but it was 69.1.
All right, that's with the blazers. It says 57.7 or something.
We're gonna be able to remember that, what they started at? Or does that matter? I guess we can watch the video.
I guess
it doesn't matter where it starts, it matters the loudest. All right, next up are the Fletch Silent Nights. Look at that group, woo!
It's like you shot a damn bow before.
69.9. A little bit louder.
Yeah, they're right in the same spot. Right.
Next up, boning heat vanes. $65.8.
That was even closer.
And last but not least, the tack driver 2.75s. 68.5. So the heat vanes were the quietest. We're going to do it. We're going to go through it one more time to verify that that's how it worked. Nobody wants to see us shoot again, especially with that horrible group down there. But we'll do it one more time, and then we'll talk about the results. But so far, first round, heat vanes were definitely the quietest.
Go ahead.
All right, so just finished it up. We went through 2 cycles. You know, probably not exactly scientific. We did the best we could with our decibel reader, you know, and shot as close to it as we could, but it could have been a few inches off each era. But it was consistent. The Blazer was the loudest, not by a lot, followed by the Silent Night, which is the fletch, followed by the tack driver, and then the quietest of all were the boning heat vanes. I bought all these just to try them out. One thing obviously you'll notice right off the rip, the boning heat vane is the lowest profile, so it makes sense that it would be the quietest. Probably wouldn't shoot this vane with a fixed blade head, but you know, well-tuned mechanical setup, you know, it's going to be a little quieter. So I think we'll probably go with these boning heat vanes and try them out once we get through our broadhead test and see how accurate they are. And if we have to go up a little bit, we'll probably move up to these tack drivers. They you know, were right there in line, but for sure the boning heat vane was the quietest. So that's what we found out. I think that'll be useful. It's often overlooked, but the fletching does cause noise, and when you're hunting, the quieter your setup, the better. So that was the sound test on the vanes. Thanks, guys.